Hi, I'm Roy Byro, Air Force veteran and mortgage loan originator with Prime Lending. One of the most powerful benefits available to military families and veterans is the VA loan program. Now, the VA loan isn't just another mortgage, it's a well earned benefit designed to make homeownership more affordable and accessible for those who wore the uniform and their eligible spouses. Now, let's talk about what makes it so special. Most VA loans require no down payment, which immediately removes one of the biggest barriers to homeownership. There's also no private mortgage insurance or PMI. That's something conventional borrowers usually pay every month, but VA borrowers don't have to. That alone can save hundreds of dollars a month. Because the VA guarantees part of the loan, lenders can offer more competitive interest rates, which often means lower monthly payments and less interest paid over time. It's also easier to qualify for a VA loan. The credit and income guidelines generally are more flexible than a conventional loan, making it easier for qualified veterans to become a homeowner. Now, there's also limits on closing costs that the VA actually restricts what fees lenders can charge, ensuring that veterans aren't overburdened at the closing table. And here's something a lot of people don't realize. The VA loan is a lifetime benefit. You can use it more than once, whether it's your first time buying your first home or it's your fifth home. Your entitlement can be restored and used again and again. Another unique feature is that the VA loan is also assumable, meaning if you sell your house and the buyer qualifies, they can take over your existing mortgage, including the rate and terms. That can be a major advantage if interest rates are higher in the future. Now, let's talk about one of the most powerful and lesser known tools within the VA suite of products. That is the VA renovation loan. Now, while this is a highly used product, not every lender offers it. Happy to say, Prime Lending is a leader in this space. A VA renovation loan is ideal for veterans who want to buy a home that requires a little work, or current homeowners who want to update or repair their existing home instead of taking out a separate loan for the repairs. This option lets you combine the cost of the home and the renovation into one mortgage, giving you one loan, one closing, and one payment. It's designed to cover improvements that make a home safe, sanitary, and livable. Things like replacing roofs, windows, updating plumbing or electrical systems, adding or replacing sidings, improving insulation, or making accessibility upgrades. It can even include projects like adding an extra bedroom or updating bathrooms and kitchens. Look, what it doesn't cover are major structural changes, like adding an entire new floor to the building or a detached structure to the current home. Those will not fall within the VA renovation guidelines. To use this program, the work must be completed by a licensed and insured contractor, and a VA appraiser will review both the current projected value and the end value after the renovation, which is called the ARV. The loan amount is based on the lesser of the appraised value or the total purchase price plus the renovation costs. Once approved, all of it is rolled into one single mortgage payment. No second loans, no juggling different payments, just one loan, one rate, and one closing. The renovation work is typically completed within 120 days. And here's another key point. VA renovation loans can also be used on refinances. So if you already own a home and you want to update it or maybe remodel your kitchen, modernize the bathroom, or make your home more energy efficient, you can refinance your existing loan into a VA renovation loan and roll those improvements right into the new mortgage. For homeowners with existing equity, there's also a VA cash out refinance option. This allows you to refinance your current mortgage and take the cash out to use those funds for home improvements or virtually anything or any purpose that you feel necessary. All the while maintaining your VA loan benefits, including low interest rates and no PMI. Both the VA renovation loan and VA cash out refinance option provides the same hallmark advantages of the VA program. No down payment, no private mortgage insurance, competitive interest rates, and a single streamlined monthly payment. In the end, the VA loan program represents more than just financing. It's a way to honor service and supporting stability for our nation's veterans and their families.